So it's been a while since I've made a video for this channel, and I figured I finally got a bit of time where I don't have a kid running around, so now's the time to finally get on with the bathroom. While I have the house to myself, I wanted to get back on with stripping paint from the bathroom tiles because obviously I need to use chemicals. Not ideal when there's a child around who constantly wants to use the bathroom. Months ago I already stripped the paint off this big wall here and this wall here, and it went pretty well. There's still some bits to go over, some patches, so I'm going to go over those little niggly bits at some point. I just want to get the main bulk of paint off, and also the main thing I'm doing today is trying to reveal what's behind the paint on this wall. As you can see, there's some odd tiles here. First of all, I'm just going to get rid of the bits and pieces that are around the bath and shower, and then I'm going to start putting the chemical on. I'm going to be using this thing. It's called Paint Predator. It's a very strong, heavy-duty paint stripper, and I used it for the other walls and it's fantastic. Got my paintbrush, got my scraper. I need to get my mask. Oh, great. Okay, let's see if I can just use it like this. Maybe, there we go. Maybe my head was too big. Need to protect my hands, and I'm going to take my watch off as well. It's not the most ideal day for doing this type of job because it is boiling outside. It's like, I don't know, 30 something degrees. Blob. It's been a while since I used this. This is the end of the, oh. Yeah, I don't think that wants to stay on. I think what I'm going to do is just hold it on, like that. I'm sure I've got some more downstairs, but living in a fixer-upper, it's a bit of a gamble whether or not you manage to find the stuff you need. Okay, so the aim is to find out what's behind here. As you can see, there's 3 different colour tiles to the rest of the bathroom, and I would assume that's why the people that were here before painted over the tile. Previously it was a shower here, there was no bath. I don't mind if there's odd tiles under here for this row, but it will be a pain if they're in any other row, because my way of disguising it and making it look nice after I've stripped all the paint off will be to basically do a nice, properly done strip of paint across that section around the bathroom, while keeping these nice tiles, these other tiles, looking good and as they are. What do we think it will be? Place your bets. Is it going to be nothing behind there, just normal tiles that match the rest of the bathroom? Are they going to be this colour tile? Or is it going to be different coloured tiles in random other places to ruin my design? Let's see. I think that'll do for now, and then I'll come back and see how it's going. See in a bit. Oh, it's looking pretty good actually. I'll have to show you what it looks like. There we go. So it does seem to be working, which is good. I cannot wait to get this bathroom looking lovely and clean. Going for the one glove because I'm not going to be using this hand and I'm trying to save gloves. All this DIY we've been doing. How bubbled up it is. There we go. Wow, this could be good news, you know. This could be good news. Okay. Wonder if my daughter will notice. She's very observant. It's amazing how observant kids are. But also, in the same way, they can be completely oblivious to things and not notice major changes. So I wonder if she'll be noticing anything different in here. Okay, so I am going to add some more of the paint stripper on, get right up there at the top and carry on stripping it all off. I've done as much of the actual paint stripping as I'm going to do for today, and it's not too bad. So as you can see, good majority of that wall is done. It's just messy now, so just need to get the brush and scrub all these bits. I think for today that's definitely enough. It's just so hot. Most of the bathroom is done now, and there won't be that much more to do to get the remainder of the paint off, so it's good. And then finally we'll be able to start properly decorating it. The only thing we've done in here so far is, apart from stripping the paint off, is bought a new cabinet and put that up. I can confidently say that I am exhausted and I am sweating. So just get these last few loose bits off, and then I think that's a wrap. Okay, here we go. The results so far. Not too bad, huh? I'm really, really pleased that those are the only odd dark tiles. It means that my design idea can go ahead. But yeah, it will be a bit of an experiment. Anything's got to be better than the state of this paint. I mean, it wasn't even finished. It was kind of stopped at the radiator. And then, if you excuse all the towels and stuff, then it carried on here. Because this bath was added in, they didn't move the radiator. So that's what happened. So eventually this radiator is going to go, and we're going to put an electric radiator and an electric towel rail on that side. So there you go, that's my work for today done. I just need to tidy up the rest of the bathroom, and then I think it's time for an ice cold G&T. Thank you very much for watching today. I really appreciate it. There's going to be more videos related to this bathroom makeover. What I would really like to ask is, has anyone painted bathroom tiles? Bearing in mind that it will get a lot of steam and moisture on them. What paint do you recommend? What has been the best paint to use? What should I avoid? I really would love to get your input. And do you think I should go for a subtle light grey or a dark grey, sort of more this colour? Because it's going to be a strip going all the way around. And grey, white, black and white, those are the themes for this bathroom. Every other room in the house, this new house, is colourful or has colour. We've really not gone for greys and things like that, only in the bathroom. And for now, I will go and grab that cold drink, stay cool, and I hopefully will see you again very soon. Take care.